In today's video, I'm going to show you few different ways to check your Apple Watch model. Let's see the first option. From your Apple Watch, press the crown to go to your app library. In app library, open the settings app. In settings app, you have to scroll down and open general. In general settings, tap on about. And here you see your Apple Watch name, watch version, and your watch model name. So my Apple Watch model is SE GPS 2nd generation. Now let's see the second option to check your Apple Watch model. This time go to your iPhone and open the Watch app. From Watch app, select My Watch, and from My Watch, open General. In General, open About, and then here you see your Apple Watch model. Now let's see the third method. All you have to need, you have to pick your Apple Watch box, and in your Apple Watch backside, here you get your Apple Watch name, your Apple Watch model name, all information here we can see. And here is the last method to check your Apple Watch model. On your Apple Watch backside, here you get your Apple Watch all details. We can see my Apple Watch name with model name with Apple Watch size. So here we can see the all information. So that's how you can actually check our Apple Watch model. Thanks for watching.